Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. So here we are. We are back with our Bram Stoker's Dracula that we've been working on, and if you were following the rest of the video series, the problem that we ran into is the missed multiball was not working. The motor that would make it work just wasn't working. Traced it back to a problem with the power on the power driver board back there. The 20 volt DC line was not working, and so that's the powers the flashers. It also powers the motor that drives the missed multiball. So I've got everything back together. We found out the culprit was the bridge rectifier right there, BR4, this guy right there. So I replaced that bridge rectifier and the cap next to it and a few other little things while I had the game out. Now we're ready to try it. So let's turn the game on and see what happens. Oh, look, there's the missed multiball working. Look at that. That's what I wanted to see. So it looks like everything is working. There it goes. It loads the missed multiball, and we're ready to go. Shall we give it a try and see if it plays? Let's see.
Welcome to my home.
Alright.
No life in
Alright. Some snappy flippers, huh? Thing not working? Let's check that. Okay, that is working. Here's our flashers on the back box. That's a fast machine. Look at that. Very fun game. I don't know if you've had a chance to play on this, but this is one of my favorite Bally games. It's just got a great theme, plays fast. So let's try the missed multiball. We'll throw it up in here, and you'll see the ball float across the middle. Pretty darn cool. So there it is. Look at that. Is that cool? You ever seen a ball just float across the thing? I'm sorry, that's the neatest thing ever. So if you knock that out while it's there, then it starts 2-ball multiball. It's pretty cool. So, alright, there you have it. Another completed project. So, thanks for watching, and for more, visit pinballhelp.com, and be sure to subscribe on YouTube, YouTube/pinballhelp. And I'm on Twitter/pinballhelp, as well as Instagram, I believe. And hope to see you guys real soon. If you're just catching this video, take a look at some of the earlier videos where I actually diagnosed the problem and took apart everything. So, thanks for watching.